Today we are going to go ahead and we're going to hit Costco. I'm going to show you 3 high protein packed foods that actually helped me lose 30 pounds in about 38 days. And I know it'll help you lose 30 pounds in about a month. Now I'll give you some different variations if you don't like some of these foods, but I'm going to give you the 3 main foods. All right. So we're going to walk inside and let me show you exactly the kind of foods I ate that helped me reach 30 pounds of weight loss in just 30 days. Best time to go when they first open. And as you can see, I got my sweater on. I guess Florida isn't quite done with the winter. Okay, so the very first one is gonna be wild caught salmon. This one right here. We've got wild caught salmon, ton of protein in this. Let's see, we got 28 grams of protein per fillet. Excellent source of protein. Now, if you don't like seafood, obviously you can exchange that out for chicken. So if you don't like the salmon and all the seafood stuff, chicken is another great source of protein. Obviously, you can't go wrong with the eggs. These are gonna be $8.49, and I'm probably gonna get a couple of these. I know the cost of eggs have gone up, but they look like they might be coming down right here at this Costco. And you can't go wrong with all the ground beef. Grass-fed, definitely. We got some Wagyu. You can make so many things out of ground beef. You can make meatloaf, hamburger patties, taco meat, meat with your eggs. I mean, the possibilities are endless. So that is a big time staple for high protein type foods to help you lose 30 pounds in 30 days. Now these are actually excellent. For 3 ounces, it's like 19 grams of protein. This grass-fed sirloin strips, these are excellent in protein. All right, so we're home. I'm just gonna do a little recap of the 3 big protein sources that I use, but I bought a couple other things as well, because if you saw my video yesterday, there was a really important food that we actually forgot that we add with our meals. Avocados. We definitely can't forget these. These are great. Not protein. This is a good source of fat, okay? Another thing I found, if you saw one of my craving hacks, if you get like a craving at night, you know, after you're eating your 1 meal a day, maybe you're eating at around 3, 4 p.m. and you're getting hungry, I actually found Kirkland actually makes all natural peanut butter, peanuts and salt. That is all that is in here. So we got that. Of course, we got our free range eggs. All right. I can't believe the prices are coming down. These were like 10 bucks. Some stores have a dozen eggs for $10 and I got 2 dozen for like $8.69. So we got that. And she's like peeking over here. And then we got our, let's see, we got our ground beef. Okay. Ground beef. This was about 27 bucks. And this was about, let's see, how many pounds was this? These are sometimes pretty heavy. So these are, what's that say, 6 pounds right there at the bottom? I don't have my glasses on.
6 pounds.
6 pounds of beef for 27 bucks. And then we got these sirloin. These, like, for 3 ounces, 19 grams of protein. That's pretty impressive. So those are the 3 main protein sources. The salmon I actually didn't get, but I have bought that salmon before. So if you like seafood, shrimp, scallops, salmon, high protein foods. So that's what we got. If you stick with those 3 foods, I'm telling you. Now, obviously, you're going to be eating more on your plate, right? You're going to have more than just eggs. I'm just giving you 3 main protein sources that are just absolutely excellent for losing a lot of weight really, really fast, all right? So if you like this video, make sure to like it, subscribe to the channel, comment below what other foods do you eat that you feel has helped you lose weight. Okay, I know these are like staples in my kitchen that actually helped me lose 30 pounds already this year. Okay, so I'm currently sitting at around 203, 204. My goal is to get to 190, and I'm gonna try to hit that 200 mark by Sunday. All right, until next time, I will see you tomorrow.